Playing in the background right now is Boosie featuring Questa with Uthando Lwethu, a beautiful song sampled from Brandy. Almost doesn't count. Actually, CeeLo figured that out.
'Cause
I'm
smart.
like taking your credit now. Took you a while though. Took
It's
you a
fine.
while.
You're always taking my credit.
No.
It's fine. You can take it.
Oh,
You
whatever.
don't need to beg.
Anyway, you know what I want to say? I want to say shout out to our US listeners out there. We see you guys, and hopefully we will be coming to you guys soon. Anyway, we are going off to Triple Threat, and our Triple Threat for this week are guys that probably Durban is familiar with. They are a duo. I'm actually going to tell you a little bit more about them. So I hope you are going to know who I'm talking about, because wow, abanye abantu here like Osilo never know who I'm talking about until I have to tell Silo first. Ukuthi who I'm talking about for him to figure it out. So
That's not true.
this is true, Silo, and you've proved this like many times. But so today we have a duo from Durban. This duo started their music in 2014, and they have dropped numerous singles and one EP titled Still Waters, which was released last year, 2018, in March. They have performed all around KZN and are known faces in the Durban nightclubs and events circuit. The duo has previously worked with artists such as Sketchy Bongo, A1 Wolf, Breeze, and Gemini Major. Their music can be described as a mixture of trap and alternative music packed with heavy hitting bars, but also has catchy and fresh hooks and flows. This makes their music more enjoyable for both old school hip hop and younger trap fans and lovers. They are mostly influenced by artists such as Ricky Rick, A$AP Rocky, and OK Malum Cool Cat. They have dropped a couple of videos from their from their EP, which can be safely said are game changing, and also had immense impact in KZN hip hop through the way they conceptualize their visuals through art. In 2019, they have worked with brands such as TomTom and Sports Scene, and recently released a song on Friday, the 31st of May, titled Super Mario, featuring Chris Snakes, rather. And these guys are Ivy and Neptune. These are my boys doing quite well for themselves and have been working really, really hard. So if you do want to check out their things, go on their socials. It's Ivy and Neptune everywhere, including on YouTube. They have a really good eye for fashion. And I really, the one thing that I really like about them is how they put their work out, and their cover arts are always amazing. And they've worked with quite a few people in terms of not only just music, but also in like graphic designing and all those things and stuff. So yeah, so the three songs that I'm going to play you are Flamingo, Runway, and Super Mario, which was recently released on Friday. So yes.
You're now tuned in to RadioGR.co.za.